Welcome back.
What do you got there?
Some nice new wheels.
Nice. Brandy new. Because we're getting the 500 ready for Blake. This is actually a 21 CRF 450 with a CR500 in it. This is my personal bike, and I want to see what this thing can do with a pro rider on it. He's possibly going to be testing the CR250. If you guys missed the big wheel video, you got to check it out. Blake is going to put this 500 through all the tests that he can. He's going to use all of his experience and I guess let us know what he thinks of the bike. So first step was getting the suspension done for him. He set that up for us. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip of how this bike did look before we took it back apart. So it went from a normal dirt bike to a big wheel, and it's going back to a normal dirt bike. I'm not gonna do nothing but big wheel videos. I do want to test this bike and show you guys what it can do with a pro rider on it. And once we get Blake on it, we're gonna find out the potential of this 500 right here. I just want to go ahead and I want to thank Factory Connection for actually sponsoring this video and the next video, which is the actual test video of Blake riding this thing on a motocross track. If there's anything you want to see him do on this bike, comment and let us know. I'm not gonna have him go rock crawling with the thing, but if you want to see some off-road riding and definitely motocross, let us know. If you guys want to see him test this bike, definitely comment and let us know. Maybe we'll do them both at the same time. But let's get this bike back together. Like I was saying, guys, this is a 500, so we've done a couple of modern upgrades, such as Electron carburetor, got the decomp head, we'll see if he can start it, and got the hydraulic clutch. Now, I have my love and hate moments with this clutch, but we'll talk about that during the test video. Looking like a dirt bike again. I'm gonna go ahead and get the intake popped on and do some final touches to this thing, and let's get it started up. And I wouldn't make you guys watch this video and not hear the 500 run. So see if I can kickstart it with my slippers. Might have to put a boot on. We'll see. It's been a while. We'll put some fresh gas in it and definitely do a little bit of a service. So let's get it going. I want to show you guys a little close-up here of our bolt-in kit for the 500. Get a lot of questions about the intake. A lot of guys say these bikes, I guess, just look funny because of the opening right here in front of the shroud, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say that I've never had so much room to jet a bike in my life. I absolutely love it. So here's a shot of our intake. Now, one of the reasons we went ahead and made our own intake, obviously this is in the way. There's ways around that. You can get a different shock, run a different intake boot. We've had amazing luck with fabricated intakes on all of our builds. So we make intakes for all of our trike builds, and just about anything that we're trying to gain performance on. And yeah, we have a mix of silicone with a fabricated intake back to a uni filter. We're actually using half of the factory airbox, which once this side shroud is on and the seat, it's completely enclosed. We run a outerwear on top of a foam filter. So we've got the foam underneath there. It's all clean, ready to go and oiled. These things, they just work amazing. We use them on just about everything, like I was saying. Let's just take a walk over to this 250 right here. Also has a bolt-in kit. This is what I was talking about the space, but you can honestly just do your jetting without pulling the carb. So if you want to pull the top of the carb, you just twist it off right here. You can change your needle clip setting real easily. So it also has a fabricated intake. It's a little bit different. That's one thing that for me, being a two-stroke lover and years of just pulling carbs and angling them and doing all kinds of things with them, just having the ability to stick my hand in there and do some jetting changes is awesome. Oh man.
Well,
See what I did on the board over here?
how many subscribe today?
Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, when you can, you know, see cool two-strokes, you might as well. It's time to start the bike. So we're gonna flip a coin. Is this guy gonna learn how to start a 500 today? Maybe this guy.
Got a quarter?
You want? I mean, I'll try with my. I'll give it like 3 good kicks.
Got a quarter?
All right, heads, me, you tails.
Damn it.
Is it really tails? We know you're not starting it though.
No, I know.
All right, I'll give it a couple. Gotta wear a boot. Just too much for the sneaker. Guys, quick break in the video. I got this awesome CR250 right here. This is a 2022 with a CR250 swapped into it with our bolt-in kit. Now, I've mentioned it in past videos, but if you want to win this bike, check out our website, bvchub.com. We're starting our own community where we can connect with you guys on a more personal level. It's kind of like our version of Facebook without all the drama and you know how it goes on there. So hit up our website, join the pro plan. Now you do have to pay, it's 20 bucks a month. But all of you guys that have subscriptions, all the money is going together. We're actually going to put it into builds. So all the subscription money over the months is going to get put into a separate account for builds like this. And then we're going to give them away. My goal is to give one of these away every quarter of the year. Now that could be every 3 to 4 months, but we'll see how it goes. So again, sign up on the website if you want to win something like this. I can't wait to see who wins this bike, where it goes, and invite you out here to actually come check it out. Maybe take it for a ride on a local track and make a video out of it. Let's get back to the video. Alex,
Well,
what do you think?
I think she's going to be a certified ripper.
I think so too. You think Blake's gonna be able to hang on to it?
We're gonna find out. It's Blake. Blake can do anything.
Oh man. Well, I'm glad it's back together. She runs. The next video you guys see this in, we're probably gonna have both these out, and we'll be riding on a motocross track. We're pretty excited about it. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Definitely subscribe. You don't want to miss this one.